In this video, I'll show you how to fix backup now option grayed out on WhatsApp using iPhone. So if you found that the WhatsApp backup now option is grayed out and you cannot back up your WhatsApp chat, then here is how you actually can fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. But now to fix the problem, before you do anything, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Swipe down from the very top and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back off. This will slightly restart the network system and see if that fixes your problem or not. And right after that, you just need to take out some of the important settings. First, open up the settings app from your iPhone and then tap on your Apple ID at the very top, and then scroll down, tap on iCloud. Now this time scroll down and tap on see all, and inside this one you just need to scroll down to the very bottom and you'll get to see the WhatsApp. If it's toggle off, you just need to toggle on this option, or if it's already enabled, go ahead and turn this option off and enable it again. And then get back to the main settings of your iPhone, and from the main settings you just need to scroll down, tap on general, and then scroll down and tap on background app refresh here. Tap on background app refresh and make sure you have select Wi-Fi and cellular data. And once you have selected that, you just need to get back from here and then open up your app store and then simply go ahead and search for WhatsApp here and tap on the WhatsApp from the search result. And if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your WhatsApp application to the latest version. Or if you don't find any update here, then you just need to get back from here, open up the settings once again from your device. You just need to open up the settings and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and you just need to find out the WhatsApp from the list. You just need to find out the WhatsApp and tap on WhatsApp here and tap on offload app and tap on offload app, and lastly go and tap on reinstall app. Don't worry, this will not delete any data from the WhatsApp. This will just reinstall the WhatsApp on your iPhone, and once you get back, most likely your backup now option will be visible to you. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.